the sink. At the left, we have the cleaning bowl. Left in there. As you can see, there's a shower. Oh, it's so nice and cozy. And then we have a space here for where you can put your refrigerator. And here is the bed. You have a space here for your table. For your table. And every room has its own veranda. Where you can see the pool and the other rooms, the amenities. There you have that right you're waiting for.